Now let's do another question. Question number 6. So question number 6 is, we have some invoices all with terms 510, 230, net 60. Now we have three things, right? Three terms. Before we just had 210, net 30, 210, net 30. But here we have 3, 510, 230, net 60. Nothing special in it. That means we have to pay everything within 60 days. But if we pay within 10 days, we will receive a 5% discount. If not in 10 days, other than 10, if we pay within 30 days, we will receive 2% discount. If we miss the first 10 days, but still if we pay within 30 days, we can receive a 2% discount. Okay, let's see the invoices. Okay, all the invoices were paid together. The following invoices, all with term this, were paid together on May 15th. We have three different invoices, all are paid on May 15th. The first was dated March 30 for 394.45. Second was dated April 15th for 595.5. And the last one, the third, dated May 10th for 865.20. Question is, what was the amount remitted or paid? So we need to find the total amount they paid. So they have three invoices, different dates. Just all these three invoices have same term and they were paid on, everything was paid on May 15th, and we need to find how much amount they paid. Actually they were supposed to pay this, and this, but there is a chance that they can receive a 5% discount or a 2% discount on these three. So let's find out which invoice is getting 5%, which invoice is getting 2%, and which invoice is getting no discount. And maybe everyone is getting 5% discount, maybe everyone is getting 2% discount, maybe everyone is not getting any discount, but still we need to find. It depends. See, with this in terms, we do not have any EOM or ROG return. That means this is ordinary. So the dates given are the actual dates from where these terms will start. Okay, let's talk about the first one. For first invoice, date on invoice, date of invoice or date on invoice, it's up to you, March 30, and was paid on, everything is paid on May 15th. May 15th. Okay, now we have two possible discounts. We have two possible discounts, 5% and 2%. If you pay within 10 days, 5%. If you pay within 30 days, 2%. So we are going to find last day of 5% discount. Last day of 5% discount. If you pay everything within 10 days. So 10 days from March 30th. So March has how many days? 31 days. So 1 day in March and remaining 9 days in next month. And next month is April. So last date for 5% discount was April 9th. Paid on May 15th. So for this invoice they are not getting any 5% discount. Let's check about the 2% discount. Last day of 2% discount. To get 2% discount, they have to pay everything within 30 days. Within 30 days. So 30 days from March 30th. So 1 day left in March and remaining 29 days in next month. Next month is April. So April 29th. Got it, right? You can count days from March 30. So you can count 10 days from March 30. It will be April 9th. So 31, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 days, April 9. And similarly, 30 days from March 30 will be April 29th. But they paid everything on May 15th. Still not before 29. So they are not going to get 2% discount either. So they have to pay everything. So they have to pay everything. So amount paid is the original amount, 394.45. They are not getting any discounts. For second one, date of invoice, date of invoice is April 15th. Right? Paid on the same date, May 15th. Last day of 5% discount. Last day of 5% discount within 10 days. So we will count 10 days from April 15th, which is April 25th. But they paid everything on May 15th, not before 25th April. So they are not going to get 5% discount. Let's check for 2%. Last day of 2% discount. For 2% we have 30 days. For 2% we have 30 days. So let's count 30 days from April 15th. How many days April has? 30. So the remaining days in April is 15, and for the remaining 15 days is in the next month, or whatever your method of counting days is, go ahead. So last day of 2% discount, that is the last day after 30 days, will be May 15th. So last day of 2% discount for this invoice is May 15th, and they paid everything on May 15th. So for this invoice they are going to get a 2% discount. So amount paid the original amount 595.50, but with 2% discount. But with 2% discount, right? Because they paid everything on the last day of 2% discount period. But still they are going to get 2% discount. Let's see how much is it. 595.50 bracket 1 minus 2 divided by 100. 583.59. Not a big discount, but still a discount. And for first invoice they have to pay everything, For second invoice, they got a 2% discount. And let's see for the third invoice. For third invoice, the date of invoice is May 10th, paid on, it was paid on May 15th because everything is paid on May 15th. They paid everything on May 15th, were paid together on May 15th, right? Now let's see whether this invoice is going to get any discounts or not. Last day of 5% discount. Last day of 5% discount will be, for 5% we have 10 days. So 10 days from May 10th, easy, May 20. And they paid everything on May 15th. So they paid before the last day of 5% discount. So they are going to receive a 5% discount. So in this case, we are not going to count 2%, just 5%. They paid everything within 10 days, so they will receive 5% discount. So amount paid is, how much the amount of third invoice? 865.20 with a 5% discount. So 865.2 bracket start 1 minus 5 divided by 100, 821.94, right? So for first one they paid this amount, for second one they paid this amount, and for third one they paid this amount. So total amount paid was is 39445 plus 58359 plus 821.94. The total amount paid, I already have this number in my screen. So plus 583.59 plus 394.45. So they paid 1799.98. Luckily we are only getting 2 decimal places after the decimal, two digits after decimal, but if we are getting more than that, we have to round it. The rule is same. Okay, so that was these are the invoices and payment terms. That's all for this lecture.